and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you know what to do, but if you don't know, let me go ahead and tell you. Let me go ahead and fill you in. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're all locked in. Make sure you hit the little bell notification so you be notified when I post a new video. Just make sure we're all just one big happy family. And once again, thank you for clicking this video. But as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a nice little old bag review slash what I can carry in my Louis Vuitton Neonoe. I have had this bag for a little over a year now. I got this bag for a graduation gift. It was a very nice graduation gift. Very appreciative of my gift. So I actually got it in the store. This is my first, I guess you can say, luxury item that was purchased in store, or purchase period, I guess. To be honest, like after graduation, I'm just like, you know, I deserve the finer things, so I'm gonna get myself the finer things. I know their Never Full is very popular. Like a lot of people get the Never Full bag because it is very spacious. It's a very spacious bag. It's a tote, so I mean you can carry a lot of things in it. But I think with this shape, I mean, you can do pretty much the same thing. It's pretty much like a tote bag. It just has a little bit of a different shape, which I like, and that's why I picked it out. But let me just get into a little bag review. Right, ooh, snap, it's a little heavy right now because I got a lot of stuff in here to show you guys, but it is the monogram bag. As you can tell, you see LV prints all over, so it is the monogram. I also got this bag in the blush pink color. My favorite color is pink. I'm always wearing pink. I think they have about 4 or 5 other colors. Black, let me not get into lying, but they have like 4 or 5 other colors: black, brown, pink, and something else. And they not only have like the monogram, but they also have the checkered print as well. But this is the bag that I got. This is the bag that I liked out of all the others, so this is the bag that I got. Throughout the time of having this bag, I can say I have used it and wore it a lot to give you guys a really good review. It's fully leather on the outside. It comes with a strap. You can carry the bag as a shoulder bag, like so. And then you can also adjust the straps. I'm gonna show you guys how you can do that. I get a little tripped up on it too sometimes. So to adjust the straps, all you gotta do, they have little buttons in the inside of the strap. So all I have to do is undo the buttons, pull it up, and then they also have a button at the top, a little button right here. You just make sure these two are together. You push those in, and then boom, voila, magic. Now you have a crossbody bag. And I think that's why I decided to get this bag over the other ones that they had, because I like the versatility. I like how you can carry it as both a crossbody, and then you can also carry it as a shoulder bag. And then I'm a tall female. I'm 6'2", and I think the bag hit me on my side where I think a bag should. I personally carry the bag more as a shoulder bag than I do as a crossbody. I think the bag as a crossbody can be a little too much, can be a little bit too big depending on what all you have in your bag for the day. And I'm the type of person who puts a lot, not a lot, in my bag. And I'm going to show you guys very shortly what all I carry in my bag. But it kind of gets bulky. It's kind of what I'm trying to say. The bag can get a little bulky just depending on what you have in it. So more times than not, I usually just carry it on my shoulder as so. And like I said, I'm always wearing pink, so I think it just fit perfectly in my wardrobe. You know, I hear a lot of girls get the black, or they say they get the black because it fits more in the wardrobe. So, you know, that's just personally why I got the pink, because I love pink. So, like I said, the bag has the adjustable straps, and then it also has this drawstring which kind of opens the bag and keeps it closed. So, as you can tell, my bag is closed at the moment. Nothing can get out besides that hair tie that just dropped on the floor, as you just saw. You know, I'm not lying, you saw it. But yeah, it's closed at the moment, so technically nothing can really get out, but you know, this is how it is. And then to open the bag, all you have to do is just, you know, loosen the drawstring, and boom, the bag is open. I think the leather has done a really good job of keeping up its quality. I don't see any scratches on the bag, and yes, I really do honestly wear the bag, and I'm not seeing any signs of wear and tear. Even on the bottom, I don't see any wear and tear on the bag at all. I've done a really good job keeping up with my bag. Whenever I'm not carrying it, I always keep it in its dust bag. The purse did come with a dust bag, so it's always being protected. So the only thing really honestly I have to say about the bag that I wish it was a little bit different, or what I would kind of, I guess, modify it to, I wish the bag had legs, like those little, or feet, I call them legs, but I wish the bag had feet, so that if I was to place the bag, say on a table or maybe on the floor if I had to, that I would really prefer if it had feet, so you know, it had something to be propped up on instead of just, you know, getting the bottom all scuffed up. So I definitely think that would be useful for this one, but it does not have it. Another thing that I like about this bag, I like all the gold hardware. I'm a gold gal. All my jewelry that I tend to pick up is gold. So I am a gold hardware type of gal, and I like that the bag, one, it's brown, it's very neutral, and then two, it has a lot of gold hardware, so that is just another staple on the bag that I really like. So let's get into what is in my bag and what all can fit in my Neonoe. So let's go ahead and show you guys what is inside. So I personally purchased some organizers for my bag, kind of to just keep it organized and keep things separated, because a lot of times I'm on the go, I carry makeup with me, I carry hair products, a lot of things that have a possibility of spilling or making a mess, I, you know, tend to just throw in my bag. So I got some organizers. I'll show you guys what those look like if I can get them out of my purse. So this is what the organizers look like. I purchased these from Amazon and they're very beneficial. I'll show you guys in a second what I actually keep in them. But say the organizers were not in the purse. See, this is one side with the organizers and this is what it looks like without. So if I didn't have this organizer in the other side, it would just be one big black hole. And the inside of the bag is suede. I don't have any wear and tear on the inside, but that's kind of why I purchased the organizers, because I knew I tend to throw things in my bag, so I was like, why not get, you know, protect it as much as possible. So that's why I got the organizers. So like I was saying, if I was to take out all my organizers, this is what the inside of the bag looks like. It's just really honestly one big tote bag. I mean, you reach in there, you really don't know what you're grabbing, so I thought these organizers were really beneficial because they not only have space in the inside, but they also have pockets on the inside. They have card holders. They have pockets also on the outside of the organizers. So it really just has a lot of space and a lot of compartments where you can put your things into. So I really do love these things, and I think they're great add-ons to your purse. I'm going to place the bag down and kind of just get into what I typically keep in my organizers that I keep on either side. So starting with my first organizer, I 9 times out of 10 have my sunglasses with me. These are my Saint Laurent sunglasses. I just purchased these. You guys have seen videos or when I actually bought these in store. So I just keep these on me usually at all times. Just keep them in my purse, keep them in the sunglass case. Call it a day. So the next item I typically keep in my bag, in my organizers, is hand sanitizer. I mean, you know what type of climate we're in. We gotta wash our hands all day, every day. I mean, we did before COVID and we're gonna have to after COVID. But just in case you can't get to a bathroom, if I can't get to a bathroom, I use hand sanitizer. Got my little Bath and Body Works. This is one of my favorite scents for Bath and Body Works. This is their strawberry pound cake. And then with all that hand washing, my hands gonna get dry. So I also have a strawberry pound cake hand cream that I keep in here. I also have a little mini perfume. This is one of my favorites. This is Gucci Guilty. And this is the travel size. It's perfect for my purse. It's perfect for my organizer. It's perfect just you know, keep with you. Of course, you wouldn't take, like, you know, the full size bottle. So this size is perfect for purse carrying, which I love. So the next item that I keep stashed in my purse and my organizers are my AirPods. They're a necessity. I need my AirPods at all times because I'm either on the phone, taking a phone call, listening to music. I need my AirPods. So that's another necessity in my case. And so I'm going to show you the next organizer, what I typically keep in that. And so it looks the same. Only difference is with this organizer, it does not have pockets on the outside like this one does. But in this organizer, I keep basically pretty much the same thing, just all necessities, you know. So I keep my card holder. That's the purpose of this card holder. Whenever you're switching out a purse, easily just, you know, take this card holder from this purse to this purse. Love this card holder. Keep my ID and my credit card, debit card, whatever you want to call it, in my card holder. Just stash it away. Like I said, this compartment has card holders, so it's perfect for storage like that. And then, you know, another necessity, my gum. Gotta have fresh breath at all times. I go, honestly, through a pack of one of these within like a week or two. Like 2-3 weeks max. I always got some gum in my mouth. Always love to have fresh breath. I'd be brushing my teeth, but you know, just having fresh breath. I'm a very social person, so I just gotta have fresh breath. That's just all that is on that. Okay, so the next thing I have are just some, you know, feminine products, just in case, because you never know if I need it, a girl needs it, one of my homegirls needs it, one of my friends. You never know, so stay prepared. I always keep tamps on me, and then a hair tie. I have in braids now, but typically either I have something that I need for my hair, for my upkeep of my hair. Either that's a brush, a hair tie, something. If my hair was down, I would have a brush in my purse, but I have braids, so I don't need a brush, but I have a hair tie just in case, you know, just in case. And then, so another thing that I keep in my organizer that is a necessity are some eye drops. Eye drops because I wear contacts, no other reason. Just, you know, you always gotta have some eye drops. My eyes be dry. If anyone out there wears contacts, then they understand. Why can't I keep anything in my hands? I don't understand. But if anyone out there wears contacts, they understand that the eyes be dry. So I don't like having dry eyes. So I have a contact solution just in case I ever need it. And then one of the last things that I keep in my purse at all times is a phone charger. My phone is always dead. I'm always on my phone. I need my phone at all times as well, so I need a phone charger. And I know I'm in the house now, but if I was to say to go outside, I would need this bad boy. So this is always in my bag. And sometimes it can be an inconvenience, you know, if all this stuff was in my purse just like this with the bag with nothing in it, it would be kind of messy, and that's when things start spilling and getting all over the place. So organizers are definitely beneficial. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pop these bad boys in here and show you guys how easy it is to keep your purse organized. And like I said, I got them from Amazon, so they're very, very inexpensive. Now, the one thing that I'm not really a fan of that I think definitely could not ruin the bag, but definitely damage the bag is the suede inside. Like, as you can tell, since I have the pink bag, the inside of the bag is pink and it is suede. So if you are throwing in makeup in your bag, if you're throwing anything that has any type of dirt on it, I would suggest definitely the organizers, and definitely using a makeup bag or some type of bag to carry those items that might, you know, be makeup or anything that might leak, like a pen, pencil, anything like that. I would definitely suggest putting it in another bag before putting in your purse, because one little scratch, one little pin mark, one little dash of makeup, the inside might be ruined. But I definitely think that these organizers are doing a great job of keeping my bag protected. So that's really only the con I have about this bag. I love it. I've been wearing it for well over a year. It is super stylish. I love pairing it with, honestly, like literally anything. As you can tell, it's brown and it literally honestly goes with anything. I love this bag. I'm so happy with my gift. It was a great graduation gift. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys found this video super helpful. Hopefully I was able to answer some questions that you had about this bag. Maybe you're thinking about purchasing it, or maybe you're thinking about, you know, maybe this has been one of your things on your list that you want to get. So I would definitely go try this bag out in store if you can. But if you have any other questions about my Neonoe, please ask down below. I am here to answer questions. I'm here to give any other feedback that I can. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, as well as like this video before leaving. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.